Are you so sweet? Yeah, baby? You're looking. Looking good. Yes, her eyes are looking. Look at those big eyes. Precious baby. Yeah, and Hannah's taking a picture of you. That's what this is, a camera. And you know what? You're going to get so used to this. Because we are a picture family, and we just take pictures and pictures and pictures.
It's going to be the new star
Yes,
of this
we
show.
do. You are the little star. You're the little star. Yes. Look at her. She's looking right at me.
Is she?
Yeah, she is. She's looking around, but then she focused for a little while, and where is the voice coming from? Yes, sir. You're just perfect. Yes, you are. You're just a precious. Nana and Mama thinks you're wonderful. Papa thinks you're wonderful. Noah, he is thrilled to pieces.
He likes you so much he wants to keep touching your face and giving you his germs.
I know. Oh, thanks anyhow. Okay, sweetie, we'll get some more pictures of you later. Okay? Is that okay with you? Yeah.